Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the file size of your videos on CapCut PC. So when you select the export button here to make the file size smaller, for instance, now this is at 253 megabytes because everything is like super high. So if I change the resolution to 480p, lower, and just selected this, it's going to change to 18 megabytes. It will have a lower quality, of course, but again, that's how you can change the file size of your videos when you export in CapCut. So if I go to 1080p, it's going to go up, and then here, go to higher, it's going to go up, of course. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.